For this frightened young woman, this is not just another day at the office. Her nerves are fraying like vintage upholstery in the claws of a psychotic cat. It's just a question of time before she... Scratch that. She already has entered a virtual office without a full understanding of how to use all of its features.
Kim, are you okay?
Victoria, I'm not okay. I don't want to be on camera all the time.
Kim, you don't have to be on camera all the time. You can just turn your camera off.
What?
You can even mute yourself if you want to.
Wow.
And you can do both at once by hitting the Z key, like this.
Ah.
Disaster avoided. But even the least cynical among us knows it's just a question of time before another unwitting soul enters a virtual office without a full understanding of how to use all of its features.